In this video, we will show you how to navigate a Steris University activity. Let's dive right in. First, in your classroom, locate and open your course. Once in the course, locate the instructions in the module. There you'll find a hyperlink that takes you directly to the Steris University site. Click that link to get started. After the site opens, you'll need to sign in. If you already have an account, click Sign In. If not, click the Join button to create your account. After you're signed in, head over to the course library. Next, scroll down to the U.S. Comprehensive Course Catalog. Be sure to apply the filter for CCI courses. Once the filter is set, you can use the search bar to find your course, or simply scroll through the list until you spot it. When you find your course, click to open it. The course page has details about the course. Next, click Enroll. Once you're enrolled, you can begin your learning journey. After completing the activity on the Steris University website, return to your CCI classroom. Access the Steris activity, and continue to the next module. Once you pass the instructions, you'll reach the exam.